Yeah, I think this is a sweet spot since the beginning of the year. Clearly, the resolution or potential resolution of the trade dispute is clearly giving some impetus to the market. But beyond that, the pause in the quantitative tightening, as we call it, is also helping the markets, with the Fed clearly giving signals on putting the future rate hikes on hold for the moment. And of course, the geopolitical developments over the weekend have definitely been helpful as well. So we do anticipate this to be continuing to be helpful for the markets, both on the equity side as well as on the fixed income side, which are the two major asset classes from a wealth standpoint.
Were you paying attention to any of the data that came through this morning? We had China industrial profits now falling again, not only in November, but in December as well, down 1.9% on year. How is this trade war playing through on the Chinese economy, and how much of a concern is that for you?
Yeah, I think it's a given that the trade war is not benefiting either sides, both initially from the trade and the economic standpoint, and even from a political standpoint, it's not playing out too well for both the players. So in anticipation, I don't think this data that we are seeing is obviously data which is a little dated data, and hence you can see that the Chinese officials have taken steps to help with some level of RRR cuts, and as well as in terms of other monetary measures to help with the momentum on the economy. Yeah, but the slowdown is for real, and it goes more about the mature part of the business cycle, in addition to what's happening on the trade war.
Now, today we had the People's Bank of China, the PBOC, guiding the yuan midpoint to the strongest since July of last year. We're looking at a parity of 6.7472. What message are they trying to put across here with such strength that they put the currency at?
I think this is more in line with what we are seeing across the currencies now. I think, as we know, that yuan is a managed currency and a managed float. If we look at the dollar behavior right now, we've been into a spot where a dollar has been weakening against most major currencies, and what you're seeing on the yuan is more or less in line with that.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.